we'll be looking at the topic, relying on God. What did I say? Relying on God. Now enter my vehicle as we move. Zzz. Yes, relying means trust or depend on God. When you rely on something, it means you trust that thing so much that you don't look what? Elsewhere. You so much depend on it that no matter what, you're still standing there. Now let's look at a story in the Bible that actually showed a man that relied on God. And that man is Abraham. Now what happens to Abraham? Abraham so much loved God, trusted in God, and he was so obedient to the extent that God asked him to what? To sacrifice his only son. And do you know who that is? Isaac. Now, God asked Abraham to sacrifice Isaac. Because he trusted on God, he did not what? Hesitate. What did he do? He took Isaac, and when he was taking Isaac to the mount where he was to be sacrificed, Isaac asked him, "Daddy, this one you are going to for sacrifice. Here is the lamp you are using." And Abraham said, "God will provide." You see the trust there? Abraham so much trusted on God that he told the son that what? God will provide. And Isaac was following his dad. And they got to the mount. And when they got there, what happened? Abraham tied Isaac. And what happened? He took the knife and was to slay Isaac. And all of a sudden, what happened? An angel said unto Abraham, "Abraham, no, you're going to be using the ram in the bush, which he showed to Abraham, for the sacrifice." That is the extent trust can go. Now, should I ask you this question? Are you ready to listen? Do you trust God? Now, if you don't trust God, what do? Henceforth, you should start what? Trusting on God. And whenever mommy and daddy is thinking of anything, you tell mommy, "Don't you trust God?" Daddy, "Don't you trust God?" Do what? Rely on God. When you see any child being worried over anything, what do you say? "Hello, sweet. Rely on God." Even when you're reading your book and you don't understand, what do? You rely on God for him to do what? To teach you. And believe me, he will do what? Teach you. Now let's see some moral lesson about relying on God. What are the moral lessons? Number one, when you rely on God in everything you do, it makes it what? Perfect. Rely on God in everything you what? Do. What did I say? Rely on God in every... Did I say one thing? No. In everything you do. Number two, do you know with God nothing is impossible? Yes. So with God, nothing is in what? Impossible. When you rely on God, there is nothing under the earth that is what? Impossible. There is nothing on the earth that is what? Impossible. And number three, when you rely on God, you have fear over nothing. When others are afraid, what are you? You will be very what? Bold. Do you understand? Are you sure? Alright, that is all we have for today. See you!